Welcome, my dear student. This is my 13th video lecture in software engineering. The subject code of software engineering is 1618504. Dear student, this 13th lecture explain about the agile model. This 13th lecture explain about the agile model, and this topics belongs from second unit of software engineering. The name of the second unit is software lifecycle models. Dear student, this video lecture I am preparing based on State Board of Technical Education syllabus for diploma student. So now we will see the concept and more about the agile model. So content of my today video lecture is definition of agile model we will see, then phases of agile model हम लोग देखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद एडवांटेज हम agile मॉडल का देखेंगे, फिर हम agile मॉडल का वीकनेस को भी हम लोग देखेंगे, एंड लास्ट में हम लोग agile मॉडल को कंपेयर करेंगे वाटरफॉल मॉडल के साथ। तो आज का इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये 5 पॉइंट को हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं। सो हम लोग एक एक करके पांचों पॉइंट को हम लोग अभी देखेंगे। I am going to be explain all these 5 points one by one in this video lecture. So kindly give your attention towards my video. So first I am going to be give the introduction of agile model. So the meaning of agile is swift or versatile. That means very fast. So agile process model refers to a software development approach that is based on iterative development. Dear student, agile model is based on the iterative development approach. The first point says that. Next point, agile model software development methodology is one of the simplest and effective process to turn a vision for a business needs into software solution. That means the agile model is used for the business purpose to develop a software in a simple way and to meet the requirement of the businessman. So यहाँ पर ये मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि अजाइल मॉडल जो हमारा है एक सिंपल मॉडल माना जाता है इन SDLC, जहां पर हम लोग इफेक्टिवली हम लोग सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करते हैं और जो बिजनेस के लिए पर्पस से जो हम लोग को प्रोजेक्ट को डेवलप करना है हम लोग इसको इसमें इस मॉडल के द्वारा हम लोग कर पाते हैं। Agile model in 1990, this model came in the modern technology for the development of the project, and the main aim of the agile model is to facilitate quick project completion. That means agile model having a main objective to develop a software in a very short period of time. So these are the introduction of the agile model. Now we will see the definition of the agile model. So agile model is a combination of iterative model and incremental model. So agile model is a combination of iterative and incremental process model. So ये iterative और incremental process model का समूह को बनाने से हमें एक नया मॉडल बना, that is called agile model, right? Agile model having main focus on the customer satisfaction and rapid delivery of the software project, right? So agile model दूसरा उसका फोकस पॉइंट रहता है कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन और सॉफ्टवेयर को जल्दी से डेवलप करके कस्टमर को देना, ठीक है? Second definition says that agile model believes that every project needs to be handled differently and existing method need to be tailored to best suit the project requirement. तो सेकेंड पॉइंट ये कहना चाह रहा है यहाँ पर कि अजाइल मॉडल जो होता है हमारा वो विश्वास करता है कि हर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए एक नया तरीका और एक नए अनुभव के साथ हैंडल करना और उस पर कार्य करना, यानी कि कहने का मतलब ये है कि सेम प्रोसेस दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी यूज फॉर all type of a project. Depends upon the project, they are changing their strategy, changing their plan, and then handle the project, and effectively they develop the project for the customer satisfaction. Last point says that agile method breaks the product into small incremental builds. These builds are provided in iteration. सो अजाइल मॉडल क्या करता है बाबू, यहां पर प्रोडक्ट को स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंटल बिल्ड्स में उसको तोड़ता है और फाइनली फिर उस बिल्ड पर हम लोग आइटरेशन प्रोसेस को अप्लाई करते हैं. सो दिस आर द थ्री बेसिक पॉइंट्स अंडर द डेफिनेशन आई हैव गिवन फॉर अजाइल मॉडल टू यू. नाउ we have a graphical representation of the agile model. So here I explain you the agile model methodology. So this methodology is there. So brainstorm means requirement analysis, design. Once the requirement is analyzed, then we are going to be design and develop a prototype based on the requirement or the customer need. Then development. After that project prototype developed, then we are going to be work on the demo or iteration development project. Then quality assurance. Once the development is done, then we are going to check the product or software for the error free or bugs, and finally it will be come to the market. That is called product technical support. So these are the basic graphical representation of the agile model. Again, this is another way. So first requirement we are going to be collect from the customer, then we are going to design it. Once we are going to design it, then we are going to develop. Based on the design, we are going to do the coding, developing the project. Then once the development is done, then we are going to check the quality of the project by testing, debugging. So this quality will be done here in that field of the testing. Then finally we are going to deploy. That means once we assure about the quality of the project, then we are going to the deploy in the market, and once it will become into the market, review and feedback we are going to be collected. That is the part of the maintenance. So these are the graphical representation of the agile model. I hope it is clear for you. Now we are going to see the phases of the agile model. So first phase talks about the requirement gathering. Second phase talks about the design prototype. Prototype means it's a sample of the project. Next we have construction iteration. Third and fourth we have testing quality. That means in the fourth, once the construction iteration is done, we are going to be test the quality of the software. And and fifth we have a deployment deliver. Once the quality is tested, then again we are going to be deliver into the market. And at last we have a review and feedback. So we have a 6 phases in the agile model. So first phase we are going to be gather the requirement. Based on the requirement we are going to design a prototype, and once the prototype is designed, we are going to be construct an iteration, developing the code. Then testing is done. Once the testing is done, quality is assured, then deployment is done. That means delivery into the market. And once the project come to the market, then we are going to receive the review and feedback from the customer. So these are the 6 phases of the agile model. Now we are going to see one by one in detail. Requirement gathering. Requirement gathering means here we are going to be gather the requirement from the customer. So we are going to be collect all the requirement, all the information or all the ideas from the customer and keep as a record to gather. And finally, by our expert team or senior team member, we are going to be analyzed on the requirement. Once the analysis was done on the requirement, we will go for the designing. So designing means based on the requirement analysis, the designer is going to be design, and by using the concept of the flow, user flow diagram or high level UMLA diagram. So these are the techniques through which the designer is going to be design or give a shape to the project. The third step, we have a construction and iteration. Once the designer team design and have given a proper layout of the project by using the concept of the user flow diagram or high level UMLA diagram, based on that the developer starts working to develop the project. So here the designer and the developer start working on the project which aims to develop a working product. See, so in construction and iteration, after the design and requirement is done, here the developer based on the design or they are going to be they are going to develop a project. Once the development is done, then the testing and the quality team come forward and test the project to find the error or to resolve the error and ensure about the quality. Once the quality is assurance is done, they have given okay, there is no test, there is no bug, having a good quality in the project, then finally it will become to the deployment stage. That means in this stage the project will become to the work environment, and at last we have review and feedback. So in this phase the maintenance team will come forward and receive all the feedback and review from the customer side to make the any improvement if needed. So ये हमारा जो 6 फेजेस हैं अजाइल मॉडल का जो मैंने आपके सामने एक्सप्लेन किया। तो पहला फेज है रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग, जहां पर हम कस्टमर के पास जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो भी वो चाहते हैं उसको हमने ले आकर अपने पास गैदर किया और उस पर फिर हमारा एक्सपर्ट टीम मिल करके उसको एनालाइज किया और एक प्रॉपर शेप देने के लिए फिर हमारा डिजाइन टीम उस पर काम किया। तो डिजाइन टीम ने उस पर काम करके एक प्रॉपर डिजाइन दिया कि हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो है इस टाइप का होगा। उसके लिए डिजाइन टीम ने यूजर फ्लो डायग्राम या हाई लेवल यूएमएल डायग्राम का इस्तेमाल करके इसको डिजाइनिंग दिया। जब डिजाइनिंग मेरा हो गया तो डेवलपर ने उस डिजाइन पर अपना कोडिंग करना शुरू किया, सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करना शुरू किया। जब डेवलपर ने सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करके दे दिया तो टेस्टिंग और क्वालिटी जो टीम हमारा है वो उस टीम उस पर काम किया और टेस्टिंग टीम ने जो भी प्रोजेक्ट में जो भी कोडिंग में जो भी एरर था या बग्स था उसको रिमूव किया, हटाया और क्वालिटी में उस क्वालिटी को एश्योर करके दिया कि नाउ द प्रोजेक्ट इज ओके having a quality, and finally it will become to the deployment. In this phase the project is directly goes to the work environment. Once the project will become to the work environment, the feedback will be start coming from the customer side or the user side, and this feedback is going to be accepted by the maintenance team for the further upgradation or improvement of the project. So these are the 6 phases of the agile model. Now, what are the core values on which agile model working? The first core value says that individual and team interaction over the process and tools. That means यहाँ पर individual और team interaction दोनों के बीच में अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है और टूल्स और प्रोसेस जो भी होती है दोनों के बीच में अच्छे वार्तालाप करके काम को करते हैं। सेकेंड पॉइंट कहता है वर्किंग सॉफ्टवेयर over comprehensive documentation. That means second core value of the agile model means they are giving more emphasis on the working software rather than collecting or comprehending the documentation. Third point says that customer collaboration over contract negotiation. That means the third point, the core value of the agile model is customer collaboration. They are giving more prioritize, मतलब agile model में एक कस्टमर को बहुत ज्यादा प्राथमिकता दी जाती है, जहां पर हम कस्टमर को के साथ एक अच्छा रिलेशनशिप को मेंटेन करने का हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं, उसकी जो भी नीड्स है उसको फुलफिल करने का हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं और हमारा एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नेगोशिएशन होता है वहां पर. एंड एट लास्ट, रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू चेंज ओवर फॉलोइंग अ प्लान. दैट मीन्स agile model is able to make a changes over the plan, so it's not strict or rigid in nature. So principle of the agile model. So we have first principle says that agile model give more priority to the customer satisfaction. ठीक है, तो कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन को यहां पर बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यू दी जाती है. सेकेंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द अजाइल मॉडल सेज दैट, सेकेंड प्रिंसिपल ये कहता है कि इन अजाइल मॉडल दे आर गिविंग मोर एम्फसाइज, मोर एफर्ट ऑन द वर्किंग सॉफ्टवेयर rather than collecting and keeping documentation. Third point says that face-to-face communication is more effective method of conveying information with the development team. So agile model का थर्ड प्रिंसिपल ये कहता है कि टीम के बीच में फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है और इफेक्टिव मेथड है आपस में इंफॉर्मेशन को पास करने के लिए. And the last point of the agile model under the principle says that it emphasizes on having efficient small team member and enhancing communication among them is given more importance. That means agile model का फोर्थ प्रिंसिपल पॉइंट ये कहता है कि इसमें agile मॉडल में जो हमारा टीम का जो साइज होता है वो बड़ा नहीं होता है, स्मॉल होता है, लेकिन इफेक्टिव होती है और वो टीम मेंबर आपस में कम्युनिकेट करते रहते हैं अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस को देने के लिए. सो दीज आर द फोर बेसिक पॉइंट्स अंडर द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ agile model. Now we have advantage of agile model. The first advantage says that customer satisfaction. As I told you previous slide, they are giving more focus on the customer satisfaction. How they will give more provide the customer satisfaction? By meeting their needs in their project. Second point, promotes teamwork. So agile model क्या करता है? टीम वर्क पर बढ़ावा देता है. They want to be work in a team and training. So they promotes teamwork and training. Next, minimum rules. Agile model is not stick with the rules. They follow the rules but not maximum. They follow the rules but minimum rules and documentation easily employed. They are not stick with the documentation part. And last we have technical excellence. That means the team which work in agile model having a good knowledge in technical as well as programming and communication. So technical excellence is also needed in agile model. So these are the four advantages of the agile model. Now we have some disadvantages of agile model. The first point, individual dependency. As I told you, this model does not giving more emphasis on the documentation generation or gathering, so that the team who is leading in a team, 3 members are maximum to be there. So वो 3 मेंबर हैं, 3 मेंबर में एक मेंबर जो सीनियर होते हैं वो ज्यादा नॉलेज रखते हैं प्रोजेक्ट का और वो काम करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, एक व्यक्ति पर डिपेंडेंसी ज्यादा हो गया, यानी कि इंडिविजुअल डिपेंडेंसी इज देयर इन द अजाइल मॉडल. सो देयर इज अ वेरी हाई इंडिविजुअल डिपेंडेंसी सिंस देयर इज मिनिमम डॉक्यूमेंटेशन जनरेशन, बिकॉज डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बहुत कम होता है. तो एक जो सीनियर आदमी है वो सारा कुछ उसके नॉलेज में है और उसी के अनुसार काम होता है. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, एक व्यक्ति पर लोग निर्भर होने लगते हैं, तो ये आपका डिसएडवांटेज हो गया। दूसरी बात है एब्सेंस ऑफ प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन। As I told you, in agile model, they are not going to be maintain the documentation properly. So in absence of proper documentation, it's very difficult for the developer once the technology is getting new or getting any changes. So it's making a problem. So this is another disadvantage of the agile model. Next, need senior or expert programmer. So this model needs senior or expert programmer. Why? Because they want to develop the software very quickly and they are not stick with the documentation. So senior developer or expert programmer can only do this work. Last, we have lack of formal documentation. Yes, due to the lack of formal documentation, it creates confusion and important decision taken during different phases can be misinterpreted at any time by different team members. So a high chances बनता है कि हमारा अगर प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नहीं है तो हमारा जो क्या है डेवलपिंग के दौरान, जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप होने के दौरान हमारा जो वर्ड है वो मिस इंटरप्रेट हो सकता है, क्योंकि हमारा कोई लिखित नहीं है, एक मौखिक पर हमने काम कर रहा है। तो कभी कभी डिजाइनिंग डेवलपमेंट करने के दौरान क्या होता है, सीनियर जो हमारा डेवलपर है नहीं मौजूद होने की वजह से जूनियर जो डेवलपर होते हैं वो काम करते हैं और वो प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नहीं होने की वजह से जो एग्जैक्ट चाहिए वो नहीं दे पाते हैं। सो दीज आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ अजाइल मॉडल। Now we have application. When to use the agile model? So first, when frequently changes is required. Second, when highly qualified and experienced team is available. Third, when customer is ready to have a meeting with software team all the time. So these are the condition. In that condition, in that situation only agile model will be used. And last, when the project size is small. So एक पहला हमारा क्या है, जब हमें चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंटली चेंजेस हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, जहां पर हम अजाइल मॉडल को इस्तेमाल करेंगे। दूसरी बात ये बताया जा रहा है कि जहां पर हमारा जो टीम है या डेवलपर है हाईली क्वालिफाइड है, एक्सपीरियंस है, उस स्थिति में हम इस अजाइल मॉडल को इस्तेमाल करते हैं। फिर थर्ड पॉइंट ये कहता है कि अगर हमारा कस्टमर के साथ हमेशा हमारा डेवलपर टीम या सॉफ्टवेयर टीम हमेशा वार्तालाप और मीटिंग करने के लिए तैयार है, अगर एक कंडीशन को मीट करते हैं जहां पर हम लोग अजाइल मॉडल को हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं। एंड लास्ट, वेयर द प्रोजेक्ट साइज इज स्मॉल और मीडियम, दैट एरिया ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू बी यूज अजाइल मॉडल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर। नाउ स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द अजाइल मॉडल, we have 3 points under the strength of the agile model. First, frequent delivery. Yes, it's work based on the rapid development software. Second, they have a face-to-face communication with the client because customer always having a meeting with the software team, so they have a face-to-face communication. It reduces total development time. Yes, it reduces total development time. So these are the 3 strength area of the agile model. Now we have some weakness of the agile model. So first, we have again 3 points here. The first point says that not suitable for handling complex dependency software or project. That means if you want to be work with the large project or complex project, this model is not suitable. Next, more risk of sustainability, maintainability, extensibility. That means agile model के साथ ए रिस्क होता है, जो मेंटेनेबिलिटी का रिस्क है, एक्सटेंसिबिलिटी का रिस्क है, सस्टेनेबिलिटी का रिस्क है। तो agile मॉडल को यूज करना एक रिस्क भरी काम है। एंड द लास्ट, वी हैव lack of emphasis on necessary designing and documentation. So agile model, they are not giving you more emphasis on the documentation and designing, they are giving more priority or more emphasis for the development of the software. Now we are going to see the comparison of the Agile model with the waterfall model. We will see all this point. So waterfall model very strict. It's not easy to make any changes, but agile model flexible in nature. Objective, waterfall model having a high assurance, but in objective, agile model having rapid development of the software. If we are consider team size, waterfall model having a large team size, agile model having a small team size, that is 2 to 3. Waterfall model having risk and budget high, but agile model having very high risk and budget. Customer interaction, if you are talking, then there is no customer interaction in case of the waterfall model, but in case of the agile model, there is a high customer interaction with the software developer team. Developing approach, in the waterfall model, we have a sequential, whereas developing approach in the agile model, we have a iterative and incremental. So these are the basic comparison between the waterfall model and the agile model. I hope, my dear students, it's clear for you and you understood about the difference or comparison between the waterfall model with respect to the agile model. Now we have a conclusion of today's video lecture. So this model is not suitable for the large project, not able to handle the complexity. Second point, this model try to give 100% satisfaction to the customer by having a proper communication and face-to-face communication between the customer and the developer side. Last point says that agile team used to describe software development approach that employ continual planning, learning, improvement, team collaboration, and early delivery. So these are the three conclusion of today's video lecture. Now we will see the summary of the agile model. So I hope you understood about the concept of the agile model. You clear about the phases of the agile model. So we have a 6 phases. You understood and learned about the phases of the all six phases of the agile model. Then you understood about the advantage and disadvantage of the agile model. And at last, I explained the comparison between waterfall model and agile model. Reference I am giving. So we have a YouTube reference link and 2 book I am giving for your reference. Kindly go through these 2 books and acquire more knowledge about the agile model, and this link help you to understand more about the agile model. Thank you my dear students. We will meet in the next upcoming video lecture. Thank you.